That nigga from RushainComedy TV. Subscribe, enjoy. Rush MT.
Wagwan people, I'm back with another video. You don't know, say it's RCTV, RushainComedy TV. Back with another video. Please like, hit the notification bell to get notified, comment, share. 6 things Jamaican mothers say. Yes, 6 things. So yes, we'll go into the video, sit back and enjoy the video. You see me? Jamaican mothers always say this: make sure you wear good underpants. Mommy, later, you may come to school now, yeah, mommy?
Oh, well on then. Make sure you wear good underpants on the street. That me tell you. I don't hear say drop down or something.
I'm not going to drop down, mommy.
I know, man. Make sure you hold in your underpants. Understand? Oh.
Later, I'm going to school late. Time is running. Alright, mommy. Bye. Love you.
Love you too. One son.
So me I say is you take your book from morning, so watch your action. Mommy, me soon come back here, go play some ball on the road. So come back.
Oi, where you go? I tell you to come out of the
Go
yard.
play some ball on the road with friends them.
Me no business. You see me I keep friend? You see me I keep company? No.
No, see no friend, mommy.
So come back in the house.
Mommy, but no want to play some ball. I can't in the house every day.
Matter of fact, you take your book for morning? Hmm?
No, mommy, I don't take the book for morning.
Go take your book.
Whoa, you see that? Jamaican say.
You take your book for morning.
You see me? I just feel the best, you know? This is the most common thing Jamaican mothers say. Always.
Always.
And it is drink some tea. Jamaican mothers always say that. Watch the video.
Wow. Ah.
Mommy!
Yes! You want?
Ah.
You can't sit down in peace.
Mommy, mommy, my belly hurt me.
Go drink some tea.
Oh, belly hurt me, mommy.
You see that? Poor you. So next number, Jamaican mother are say this word.
Lord of mercy.
When you hear this word, Lord of mercy, you know what's a problem. Yeah man, a problem. Watch the video.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Shit!
I want broke, boy, I want broke. I want broke. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy, look at boy blood the something. Look how much money I buy for the something. Eh? This face. I can't tell this.
But
No chat to me. No chat to me. I'm going to send your father. I can't bad.
you see me as a people. Alright, it's Jamaican mothers. It's when time you get naughty with them and them a call you not here.
This what them do.
Yo, boss, no good no man. No, no, some man sit here kill. Rashid! Rashid!
Right up to that. Joe Hart starts in goal. After Sanya starts with Alexander Kolarov as the fullback. With Kevin Bryant and central midfield. Sergio Aguero is the... And goes Jacko!
You hear me? I call you. Eh? Come on, get on the game. Come on for the game.
I never hear you.
Anyways, you wash your clothes them out the door? Oh. You feel like you're a big man. Don't you see that grow? Hmm? You feel like you're a big man, don't you see that grow, eh? Yeah, smell yourself. Eh? Make sure you go wash your clothes out the door from 3 weeks and your pants stink. So you have to go wash your clothes them. You feel like you're a big man, you have to smell yourself. Smell yourself.
Anything you're going and get screw your face like screwdriver. Yo, you know.
Once you're dead already. You see what? You see me?
Next video. I'm not too sure about the girl every time in Jamaican man talk to them, but watch the video.
Nika. Yes, ma'am. Come here. I just put on some water on the stove. So
Did I fix it for tonight?
look on it to me here.
Water on the stove? Mommy, I want to tell you something.
Nice to know. What you want to tell me, sir?
I want to tell you something.
Want me to talk up the man time. Talk up.
Not talk up. The other night when we talk over Tasha yard, I never got Tasha yard. We go over somebody's yard, but not talk. Mommy, I think I'm pregnant.
Oh, Jesus. Mommy! Mom!
So guys, that was it guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video entertain you guys to the fully mark. So please subscribe, like, share. We'll go for the next video and things. If you want to see more content, go on my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram at @Shay_TV. So yeah. So thanks for watching guys. Have a wonderful day.